This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the cat and the pumpkin carton box. I'm just going to do these together because these are very quick and simple boxes. So you're going to start just by folding on the score lines. These are small boxes. The top is 3.5 inches by 2 inches. So the square part of the box is only 2 inches. Okay. And you just want to score this on your score lines. Now, because this box has a part that it comes apart like a gift box. You don't have to open it at the top like a milk carton, so you can glue it shut. But you can also use cute little decorative clothespins to hold it shut too, if you would like. But it's not necessary because it does just slide off and on to open. So I've already put 2 panels on this one piece. And now I'm just connecting the box here. And I'm going to go ahead and... So I made it separate pieces like this so that you can increase the size. If you want a bigger milk carton, you'll just keep all your pieces grouped together, resize it to the size you want. Then you can ungroup it and cut it. Okay, I shouldn't have done that yet, so I'm going to leave that flat like that. And I want the face to be on the part that's straight, not on the part that pinches together. So think about that before you put your box together, where you want your face to be. And then put it on the coordinating panel for that. So as you can see, super simple. So you could cut a bunch of these and do these like for a classroom, your work friends. And you can decorate it up, like I said, with little decorative clothespins. You can, I'm going to tie twine around the top of mine. I've got some really cute fall colors from my trendy twine, which you can get at Annie's Boutique. And then I'm just going to put some glue in here. And I'm going to seal this shut. Now the bottom, super simple too. Oops. So the first thing you want to do is fold on all the score lines. Put your 2 pieces together. Now it is small tabs, and That was done just in case you're wanting to make it bigger so you don't end up with these massive tabs. So when you're working with it when it's small, you just have to make sure that these have really grabbed on. Now you can do your bottom box the same color as your top box. I decided to do mine like the color for this one, it's orange because I did a pumpkin, and on my cat it is black because it's a Halloween cat, so I did a black cat. And so there that is. And then the cat is going to go together the exact same way, except of course I've got a different face design. And so these, like I said, these are small. So the box itself is 2 by 2, and then you have this extra top part here. But you know, you can just wrap some twine around that, put a little clip on that, and these make just a super cute little gift box. Quick and easy. Fold your carton lines. Again, I've already put 2 panels on this one. Let's glue that together. I think it takes longer to fold the panels than it does to put the project together. This is another project you can do that can be really cute with patterned papers. You can use a patterned base or your squares, your decorative squares you can do in a pattern. Again, pay attention to where you're putting your face. If you don't want it to be on this end, make sure you're picking the side that has that straight edge on it. It goes up straight. So again, I don't want my face to be on the end of the carton. I want it to be here on the front. So that is this box assembly. I'm not going to do the bottom, but I just wanted you to see the cute face here. And then again, I'm going to glue it shut. Now you don't have to glue it shut if you're going to use your clothespins. You can make it so that it opens from the top. I missed some places with the glue. There we go. And that is the cat face. So here you have your pumpkin and your cat milk carton. Thank you for joining me.